Worried that you don't have a garden, even to sip a coffee? Worried that you don't have a place for that? Just watch this video. Just grab your tea or coffee, and you will also can enjoy the same feeling that you are having your tea in your mini garden, baby garden. So today's video, I thought of doing a video creating this for the people who doesn't have a garden space. Watch until the end the plants that I have created, a corner in my garden, a baby garden. Not many plants, not many varieties of plants, but a few. So you are a beginner and you are going to watch this and enjoy it. If you have a parapet wall with space, so along with that, if you have a tree, we say an apricot tree or any other tree, make use of that. You must have some sort of a tree so that you can grow some shade loving plants. There are many trees like apricot tree which you can grow even in a huge planter. They will grow in that, so get one of those and get the shade first so that you can grow many plants under that. So look at this is enjoy pothos in a hanging planter, and under the apricot tree I have many plants growing. These are some philodendron, umbrella plant, and also friends, I have this aromatic pandanus plant, and also I have make use of this parapet wall. Now I'll tell you one by one. This is the spider plant growing under the pandanus, variegated one, and look at these colorful plants. And also friends, they still I didn't put it in a planter, it's in a grow bag. And many pothos varieties, get many pothos varieties as possible so that you can create a corner where you can keep small planters. So I also have a wandering Jew plant. So if you are a beginner and if you have no space, this one plant I recommend having, because this is one of the low care, low maintenance, permanent plant. Even with a single cutting you can grow them. You can see how huge my plant, how huge it is growing and healthily growing. The colors are amazing. So this is a very little space in the backyard of my garden. So the other plants are the spider plants. They grow anywhere in the shade, and get some of the syngonium varieties, pink syngonium, and you can have many other colors as well. So they also grow very beautifully for a small space. So for a mini garden, they are ideal. Make use of the parapet wall as much as you can. Now you can see these pothos plants growing up in the parapet wall. And also friends, this is also another low maintenance plant for you. Once you keep a plant near the parapet wall, they touch the wall and they also contribute for the decoration. So these are some of the plants that you can grow very easily, and this corner, small corner in your garden is enough for you. Use the parapet wall maximum for a mini garden, a baby garden. And there are plants also, they look green and really very beautiful. I'll give you a look. This corner of mine, I really do love this place. Even the birds do, because there are many birds coming during the daytime for the apricot plant. So friends, grow some plants even in a very small space you have, because plants are the energy around your home that is very attractive, and also they provide you some of the positive vibes to your home. Look at this, how I have made use of this huge tree. They are also hanging planters and I do love them. And here also another plant which is easy to grow. This is a flowering plant. They produce this beautiful red color flower, and this is also another plant for you to grow without any problem. Once you bring one plant, you will see how they grow. And also friends, no need of any fertilizer. So creating a baby garden will allow you to stay there for some time, some shade, especially in the backyard. If you can do this, this corner will be really very eye-catching, and also for you to stay some time and spend some time alone there, some time with a tea. It's really absolutely beautiful. So make a corner in your garden, a baby garden. If you don't have space, try to create it with these plants. If you are a busy person, this is ideal for you. Greenery is a blessing for us. If you can make your space, turn your space into a green world, even if it is a small space. Try it, give it a try and see. Use those plants that I have mentioned in the video.